Yefa aseda aye etontum kanfo na ase ma ye nyankopon ne abankese na da robenti ene da so eti ase ya hye bosome foforo ase ya hye na ohwe foforo ase da oforo ensu ne mede akwesi ensia mamfa na sekese koma afia amankwa tamaklu sister Ophelia say in my absence afia gina mu ebom obi kra ka chem say dey akwesi so yi atare nyina de hye sister afia de baye anso afia nyame nhyira na onyo kese se e nyina bom ya som ye man Ghana ama man no ayefe na he kra behwe afio bia you're still back on block. This is Asem Yi Di Ka. So now pay tell komo ye wonum na nsem say what follow and somehow do a twegu ye man emu a. It looks as if say a tuo ye normal, ye simple, ye easy ye man emu. To bet yes ten ye tuo hanom. Ye kwa kohwema kuma boa akum nipa mienu ekọ berese ten etu ato hanom enkuma boa akum nipa obekọ nipa bese enai enum ekọ. The question we keep asking ourselves say ade am fansha say free na ochi etwam ye say yananom eye homowo na say wo video na ma me homowo eye video no na homowo koso na yesane etuo mu de agu amanfos ne ekoya yesini pewu na no pa ya mete yesini pa miensa. Then you ask yourselves himfa no man no edidid kwe yenim se nka America fo na nka tutu asabio ye nhyeda nwen ho na afedie na atiesi emamu afedie etututuo atiesi oman musa ya obi atutuo left right center ekosa why DNS se eno homowo ye di afahye de akai nananom mu omo de aboaye nananom mogye omo aprede age asase de asi honom eba ne se na afedie etuo nyina enenamui de it's so bad. Adena ye huno it's so bad. Na ye tu wana mo enna. Ye better side because no ade ya baba ye as a fashion. Oh, normal. Sa no mo tutu edeko. Ma say please for issue statement, man please for statement no. Ma say please for issue statement me condemn and indicate say they are going to investigate. But IGP, I think was say Omran Telemo Maniso. Yes, IGP also Omran Teno, Emma Womeneso pa because he to be transmanning conquest say a yaba be normal say Obi abet me out to. So it is a statement from the Ghana Police Service. Please investigate violent clashes during Homowo celebration at Soutum and Enya. The Accra Regional Police Command has initiated an investigation into violent incidents during the climax of the annual Homowo Festival at Enya and Soutum on Saturday, 30th August 2025. Investigation revealed that a misunderstanding broke out between followers of two rival chiefs during the sprinkling of the traditional food, popoi, leading to an exchange of gunfire. The situation escalated when some attendants attempted to leave the festival grounds, resulting in further attacks at Olebu. 3 persons, Abubakar Ramadan, Saba alias Ni Kwashibu, Theophilus Ni Amu Kwajan, and Joseph Shabu Dodu lost their lives in the violence. Additionally, 4 individuals, Enoch Amefo, Samola J, Natana Doku, and Frederick Latte, alias Ni Obrafo, sustained injuries and are receiving treatment at various medical facilities, including Kolebu Teaching Hospital and Rich Hospital. So, Imam Fensiana, Hana may issue case 1.2 of the Ghana Police for a statement. Or say, Enshemu kakra ya ye HSA. Echitafo mienu etai ahin ohini bi echi ya mentim ho ase ewom. So my question is please for ebrebe ne hu say there's a rival chiefs, there are rival chiefs in this Homowo any enya Soutum issue. Ebrebe ne hu ye So you pick intelligence that bay. You pick his high intelligence, the animal 2 at the far. And any of you see a pick intelligence, no, maybe they'll find a way to deal with their own situation. How severe was the situation? Police force a deployment more echo honum. Police for the call grounds, no, or money and will say, I'd never be a kick at the corner, a pepper muswana. Did they call for reinforcement? Yet the hour more. Near police for on standby. You be the pepper so say nipa me and sa ewu. Fabi come slice this so. Now I make me chair a hona. I'm if call me slice na me store. Basa say AC swem and an police penny pemi can say me chere me. So my way. Obi threaten so be kum. Na abetimi akwenda ko siesie amonko siesie. Okun a wan hwe bibia nsi. Okay, buy you an boyfriend place in the ekunu. Yeah, baby. Okay, Fantaman MP. Okay, senior lecturer na ekunu. Wakai Adam Ama. Wakai NPP MP na ekunu, I think Buakwa not here. Wakai. JB Dankwe, Wakai. You make catch you be money now. Please, Penny Panas for catch him. Then he started recalling all these incidents. Okay, NPP Penny the coach here as the good no. Okay. Yabu be kumfo. Case I'm supposed to be no yabu and kumfo. They are teaching us at chum. One ya chum up to 90 me angelium. Now, ma'am, the next slide. Okay. Critical security flashpoint across Ghana. Etuba Savannah Mantem and Wasobekaya August 24th. Bosumi etwem ye. And beto just 72 mo asibi asori. Ama eno enen kwada pa edwane ne mayua. Edwane de free. Eslementive do mantem benyire empotemo no enya de ketua. And I'm to say the Minister of Interior Mubarak Mutaka eka say opeso nya date of Ghana this year edwane free Ghana akoko d'Ivoire. I think it's good one to when we bet me abua Ghana Immigration Service. Mumwana yenya sa data and any bet me afaswa. You bet me save Ghana this year copy or Cote d'Ivoire. Now Greater Accra ya na boss so edit show and nya so tum die. Na see and so be nipa tamiensa eko. I had e ba nipa be se ensia na eko me yiri die no edu nwotwe enso apra Framantam voter region and so Accra sa info sensem sa na pa na nipa nso ewu. Mam the next one. Yes, nipa echo. Agro Savannah Mantem edie no enie. Eti ubisa on se eye dia na esienti. Yes, yama etuo akodi Ghana for nsem. Ah? Yama ne nani akoba bi o. Yo see yemi ni ekosuo. Ghana should not be tempted to South Africa. Yeah, no be kona 12 akwa na tuo hye ne ka ase o. The rate at which a tuo and the amount for some no and pen for yenya who be bio. Mum yenya di wa who. The rate at which a tuo I could the Ghana for be and some no yenya who be bio. National Small Arms Commission penny for Dr. Adam Bona, mum yen just near issue statement keko. And Sheba did come to ensure say nipa be a 20 is what any cause 20 is no you very to be said to win ya. Any a 2 amamni and kwakuna stable sorry the biada yakuma de jami. Ah, ade, mam the next one. Ade now okay. And the 2 manya young call baby young call. Ghana is not at war. But every moment to be what is a two ato. Now, Shadia, where a year and Cramatem Ediano. They are also August 26, 2025. 2 fatalities and multiple injuries after various youth groups clash during the Teshi. Wait. I do wait. The pop is sprinkling. Then August 30th, and so the same thing. So to Epotoma. Then August 29th, and Accra High Court enjoy all outdoor or public or more events in Teshi for the remainder of the festival season. Sabakaya, because it's not be please for our questions. No, the issue here say, you pick intelligence about homo what you know that bay. So I can please for Sakra Tommy by now. Oh my, there's a rival group, rival chiefs. Every penny I dream about so say, sir, I am from one time and more. Mitigating measures when they go come to ensure say, or Mopokra Ensia. Because in the two years say, between Shatawale and Stoneboy, one time ago. At the police family, I say, who ye event organizer. Now, person you show on my gun and moi. You can't put Shatawale and Stoneboy on the same stage. And your brand penny who said, and yet I touchy and a Homodian and Yaso to the issue ever honor. Mam, next one. Eti Usha most of our case a day and Tokwebo my Ghana, chieftaincy. The topmost. Yeah, de Basabasa, yeah, Empire Memu. And a young one say, assassin some adults because 70% of cases in our court, yes, I say. 70% of cases in our court, yes, I say. Up to now, you do find a way to deal with land litigation. Memu. It or he went in was say, or he went in was say, no, the tita force to touch it. Yeah, pay, net to watch any pay. Yeah, quite baby. The next one, ever public order risk there. And ABA. Then the issue of a 2 American was some. Just say Obia Petuo at the channel. Sakosin send you yourself was more near the Naco Petun be at the show. But this South African, I'm quite a better trot driver, not to share the car sitters. Cause South African, you're safe. To one foot to send the car sitters here, or we come to me a from a sunny tour at the Gomoso. Mumma my mining cocoa is up and pension. Ya mine. Mumma mining cocoa is up and pension. Then your fair family. Mamma saw a video of Ghana for a Ghana yano. Yes, Ghana this year a Ghana dear free. A slim and tiffin temu. Edwin Yachte Ivory Coast Nimpotemo. Where Ghana this year. O Ghana will nimbe be a walk home. And one is a walk sir. Emu kwada emuma on say a start if near yakudie oh a slow for na nyomasem a slow for na nyomasem the next time you tell atia sikumase na ohin ote na boboa no yakwakobo ne tuo akuno momi entrance enye din momi entrance enye din ne ankanya no emfantum na ye hye ye nwan mu a ewo eso no kutupa emo adwenye o se wotenkan etu toto de free kan akosem se unya mfa nkokon ye kunipe wo nyina wi beba so nyade bia mekase nyakopon hu ye mobo nyame wo hu ye mobo na omo ya kanifu aba dwi o man ne kanko ne mpunto ne ye yo eho wona mfa pesami kominya eni wonim na omo ma mra no ayi adwuma se detie me de akwese nsia asem de kene pensem mu eto aso